100 Psychology Skill to Master Your Life. Wake up early. Stop giving up. Surround yourself with positive people. Be more productive by doing less. Take more responsibility. Live in the present. Follow your passion. Find reason to love your life. Start a new diet. Meet your own decisions. Reject what you don't want. Avoid fight with idiots. Try something new. Experiment gratitude. Learn to ignore. Learn something new each day. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel for more video.